The fifth product on this list is the Acer Predator Aethon 700. The Acer Predator Aethon 700 is a high-performance keyboard designed for gamers who want flexibility and control. One standout feature is its ability to switch between clicky and linear key presses, letting you choose between a tactile response or a smooth, quiet feel while typing or gaming. This makes it ideal for both types of gamers, those who enjoy the satisfying click of a key and those who prefer a quieter, faster action. The keyboard also features 16.8 million RGB colors, which means you can customize the lighting to suit your style. Each key has its lighting, offering great flexibility in how your setup looks. There are 7 preset lighting modes to choose from, or you can get creative and design your unique lighting effects. For added convenience, the Predator Aethon has a dedicated media dial that allows you to adjust the volume without interrupting your game. Just spin the dial to change the volume, eliminating the need to Alt-Tab or mess around in menus. The keyboard also comes with programmable keys, so you can set up custom macros for complex commands or shortcuts. With a magnetic wrist rest, you'll enjoy long gaming sessions without discomfort.